Yo guys, so it's 5:40 in the morning. Welcome back to a new video. I'm about to go hit the gym. I'm tired as fuck. But yeah, it's going to be an exciting day. I'm going to show you what I do in my business because I have a lot of work to do today. So yeah, I'm going to the gym now and I'll see you soon. Yo, so it's 7 in the morning. I'm done with the gym now, and you know you live in Sweden when you wear a puffer jacket and a beanie all year round. Okay, I was exaggerating a bit, but now I'm going over with my e-bike. So yeah, it's been nice, bro. This gym session was crazy. I had shoulders and arms, which was the first time I ever did because yeah, I just had some spare time in between my regular push-pull legs split. So yeah, that was fucking nuts. So yeah, I'm gonna go home, make myself some breakfast, and yeah, then start my work day. It's 8:03. I just sat down on my computer and I'm about to crack out some video editing. Yeah, it's quite a short video. I'm just going to bring up my schedule real quick so I can show you what I'm doing today. So, now I can check off breakfast and I have editing, and then I'm going to school for just a quick 20 minutes. And then I'm going to do cold calls, working with client, having lunch, some rest, math studies, and then actually I'm going to watch a basketball game. And it's the first time I'm ever watching basketball, so it's going to be sick. It's for a school project, or yeah, it's for school, which is nuts. So yeah, quite a hectic day, and yeah, I'll just go on and crack out some editing. Yo, so it's 8:52 right now in the morning. I'm about to go head to school to have, I don't know what's it called in English, like meeting with my teacher to discuss how it's going. Yeah, so pretty much that sums it up. And yeah, if you know what that is, translation to that is, please comment. But so here's the fit. Knitted sweat with some jeans. I don't know. Yeah, quite good. So yeah, I'm about to head to school. I'll be home in probably like an hour. And yeah, then I'm gonna crack out some fucking cold calls. I'm super stoked for that. It's my first time ever. But yeah, so I'll be back. Peace. Yo, so it's 11. I just finished a 1-hour block. I sent out cold emails, and unfortunately I didn't have any time to do my cold calls, so I have to move them till tomorrow, because my idea is to send an email first to every prospect where I basically just sum up what I want to do, and then I want to call them as a follow-up to really get them on the hook and show that I'm super interested, which I am. So yeah, now I'm just making I'm gonna make some coffee and I'll start on client's work, which is cool. And I need to hop on a quick chat with one of my partners regarding a project. So yeah, that I'm about to do. But yeah, so after coffee, I'll just work, and then when it gets to 12, I'm have lunch and walk my dog, and then I'm just gonna keep grinding. So yeah, have a good day. I'll see you soon. Yo, so it's almost 3 p.m. now. It's starting to get, I don't know, dark outside, but not really. And I've been working. I've done like 4.5 hours of work today, which is quite nice. And now I'm just going to do some studying, because on Thursday, it's Monday today, I have math exams, and tomorrow I'm gonna hold a speech in Swedish. Yeah, so I really need to study for that. I don't know the script at all for the speech, so yeah, it's going to be interesting how this turns out. But in terms of the client earlier, we're currently working on developing a prototype for him. So yeah, that's quite interesting, but I'm waiting for feedback from him. And I also did cold emails and I've edited some videos. But yeah, so now it's studying on the schedule, and then I'm going to head out. I don't remember if I said this earlier, but I'm going to watch a basketball match for the first time. And I swear to God, like, I live in Sweden and I've been watching football and tennis for my whole life, but I've never watched basketball, not even on TV. So yeah, this is going to be cool. So yeah, now I'm just gonna crack on, and yeah, you get to rate my Swedish as well.
När vi läser faktaböcker så presenteras fakta, logiska argument och olika perspektiv, vilket är det som uppnår och startar vårt kritiska tänkande. Faktaböckerna tvingar oss till att analysera den informationen som vi tar till oss.
Yo, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm eating dinner and it's 3:30. So yeah, pasta with some tomato sauce, water along with it, and I'm just watching some YouTube. So yeah, I did some math, not as much as I want to, because math's fun, real fun. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and finish eating, and then I'll be off. So yeah, I'm leaving now. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.